Hi all, very good evening. Today our topic is Apache JMeter real-time 10 interview questions and answers. Okay, more number of people is asking for interview questions only, but I am not able to cover all the questions. The video is very too lengthy. Okay, every video 10 questions I need to cover. Okay, without time wasting, I will start the questions. Okay. The first question is, what are the protocols supported Apache JMeter tool? Okay, most of the people, exactly what are the protocols means. It's a request. In different other tools, it's called a protocol. In JMeter, it's called request, right? Request only, it's a protocol in JMeter. What is the means? Directly, we'll ask some questions. What is the protocol? Protocol means it's a set of rules. Okay, based on conditions, it's called another name. Set of rules, otherwise it's a conditions based you need to work to the protocol. The main intention why you need to use the protocol, right? It's the middleware. Okay, the application and your tool interconnected to the through protocol only. Okay, without protocol you not able to connect that one. Okay, that reason you need to use the protocol. But our topic is, what are the protocols supported in Apache JMeter tool, right? Apache JMeter tool supported protocol list. Okay, first one, HTTP or HTTPS request. This is majorly need to use to the web applications. Okay, web applications. Okay, most of the time everyone you need to use, who are the people for first starting career, right? The first protocol, this one. Okay, HTTP or HTTPS request, it's the most of the time you need to use web applications. So for XML RPC request, okay, this one it's called as web services. Okay, this is the web service protocol. Okay, web service protocol. Third one, JDBC request. JDBC request means it's a database. Okay, totally you need to call data database queries. Okay, database queries testing. Okay, LDAP, lightweight directory access protocol. Okay, this is different protocol totally. Okay, after JMS, everyone okay, Java message queue series. Okay, that request, bold request, right? How the JDBC request you need to work, right? Database queries you need to testing. Same bold protocol also. Neo 4J applications, it's a security related applications testing purpose, you need to use the bold request. Okay, FTP is a file transfer protocol. After this is especially from Java applications. Okay, Java applications only need to testing purpose, you need to use Java request. After SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. After TCP request. Okay, this is network related. TCP, LDAP and SMTP both are mail related protocols. Okay, email related protocols. Okay, these are the protocols will supported to the Apache JMeter tool. Okay, and the same time this is fully open source. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, some interviews asking questions, your first starting time your career, right? Suddenly will ask, in Apache JMeter tool what are the requests will be supported. Okay, you will keep on listening the words for protocol. Okay, suddenly you come to the request means answer, but the people way of asking questions, right? You are totally confusing and you don't know exactly. Okay, that reason you're not able to answer that questions. Okay, just you need to understand what is the way the people will be asking. Okay, this is the first question. After moving to second one, Apache JMeter tool platform independent or independent? Okay, answer is JMeter tool developed Java programming language. JMeter run any operating system. Okay, now JMeter platform independent. It's a fully independent tool. Okay, there is no any dependent. This is second one. Third one, what is think time? Okay, think time means wait time between two transactions is known as think time. Okay, one transaction to another transaction, how much time you need to wait it, right? That time called think time. In JMeter point of view, you need to use the timers, right? timers used to, you need to create the think time will be created. This is third one. Fourth one, what is phasing? Phasing means wait time between two iterations is known as phasing. Okay, one iteration to another iteration, it will wait some time. Some time means it's a seconds only, but the time, the waiting time only, it's called one iteration to another iteration, that is called phasing. Okay. After fifth one, how to reduce resource requirement in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, this is most of the time the people will ask in the question. Okay, how to reduce the resource requirement in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, means without more number of hardware consumption, low consumption only, how we need to complete the test or load test or anything. Okay, first method, use non-GUI mode. Use non-GUI mode. Whenever you need to run the non-GUI mode, right, it's a low memory consumption only, the test is completed. After, use few listeners as possible. In JMeter listeners, right, whenever you need to run the load test, the listeners will capture the entire test results. That reason it's a more memory will be occupied. That reason you need to use the few listeners. As soon as possible you need to use few only. On the same time you need to disable that one running for debugging purpose. Yes, you can use it, but load testing purpose you do not use. Okay, maybe you must and should you need to use, right, just one or two listeners only you need to use. After, disable view results tree and view result table during load test. Okay, most of the time in JMeter you need to use the view results tree and view results table. These two listeners most of the time the people will be using. Okay, that listener you need to disable that one during the load test. Okay. After, do not use functional mode. Maybe the people, whenever you need to open the JMeter, right, in test plan there are three options available. The first option only functional function mode. Okay, JMeter is not a functional testing tool, it's a performance testing. That reason do not use the functional testing. Whenever you enable to the functional mode, automatically the performance will be degraded. Okay, whenever you need to run the test. That reason do not use the functional mode. Use few assertions. Okay, you need to verification purpose, you need to use the assertions, right? Response assertion, duration, size, remaining assertions. That assertions also it consumes more memory. That reason you need to use the few assertions only. Okay, last one, use CSV output files. Okay, you need to use any another file format, you can directly give it to the CSV file path you need to give in, right? That time whenever the test is running, automatically all the test results will pass it to the that path location only, write it. Okay, that way you need to use the resources very limited and low configuration also you able to complete the your test. Okay, this is the way you need to reduce the requirements in JMeter tool. Okay, after sixth one, what are the applications is able to test in Apache JMeter tool? Okay, the first one, JMeter used to test performance both static and dynamic resources. Static means single applications. Okay, only one type of applications only. Dynamic means multiple ways of applications. Okay, you are able to test both. After, web applications, desktop applications, but desktop application you have some limitation. Okay, Java, .NET applications you able to test, but SAP, that type of related applications it's not supported. Okay, after, cloud applications, mobile applications, and servlets, file script, Java objects. Okay, Java request based unit test to the Java objects, and database queries. Okay, these are the application types you need to test it, but desktop point of view it's limited, Java and .NET only, no other applications. Sixth one, what are the applications you able to test in Apache JMeter? Sorry, it's already completed, right? Seventh one, what do you see when open Apache JMeter tool, old and new versions? Okay, this guys, I am also facing this question. Okay, suddenly I am also surprised this question, I am also not able to give the answer also in the interview time. means it's a keep on using only old version tools only, right? Project point of view, but I'm not using new versions. What you need to came, I'm also I don't know. Okay, that time interview time. Okay, in old versions, whenever you need to open the JMeter, right, you can see the test plan and workbench both. Okay, latest versions it's come only test plan only. Okay, no workbench. After eighth question, have you used any features of JMeter given greater flexibility? Yes, JMeter support Bean Shell scripting for greater flexibility and Groovy scripting. Okay, Bean Shell and Groovy both will support it, but most of the companies nowadays it's asking for Groovy scripting. Okay, anybody need to learn to the JMeter tool point of view. First, you need to learn to the Groovy scripting. Okay, JMeter plus Groovy scripting, you will able to get a job very easily. That reason, first you need to learn to the Groovy scripting. After you need to moving to the Bean Shell. Okay, whenever you need to learn to the Groovy, right? This is also under the Java platform only. Okay, example Java is the parent, right? The Groovy also one of the child. Bean Shell also one of the child only. That reason Java is the high parent. First you need to learn the Groovy scripting. After you need to start the Bean Shell scripting. Okay. And I am also providing the videos both the scripting languages, but currently I do not have time that much. That reason I am not able to provide it. But soon I will provide this one also. After ninth one, what are the benefits of the JMeter offer for performance testing? Okay, it can be used to test performance both static resource as well as dynamic resources. Okay, it can handle maximum number of concurrent users than your website can handle. Okay, it provide graphical analysis performance reports. Okay, this is the in generally you need to explain, but majorly JMeter provide features related, right, in performance testing point of view. First one, just my knowledge point of view. First one, this is a fully platform independent one, and the Java programming language will be developed, and it's fully open source. Based on your hardware configuration, you can run the distributed load testing method. How many users you able to support it your website, you need to run. There is no any limitation, that is based on your hardware configuration only. That is the highest feature. Okay, and the most of the time load runner is the best competitor in JMeter tool only in the entire worldwide. Okay, that reason who are the means what are the projects, there is no budget, right? That time most of the companies and projects also you need to use the JMeter tool. Okay, and most of the people you need to believe to the JMeter. Okay, and you need to do easily in scripting wise, and multiple thread groups you need to use, and easily the versions, whenever versions will be changed, right, you need to upgrade the scripts also, you need to use that one. Okay, and reporting point of view, there is no any proper reporting. Okay, how load runner tool will provide the reporting, right? That is the format is not provided, but as for open source, our best it's provided to the HTML report will provided, graphical analysis report, most of the test related details will provided, and additional plugins also available in Apache corporation will provided. Based on that plugins you need to use it to you able to get the more information through test related details. Okay, and another small tools also available in JMeter, BlazeMeter also available, right? That BlazeMeter also you need to use it to you need to get this some more information. Okay, that is the way JMeter, it's a not 100% it's not able to provide it to the how load runner tool will provided way, but JMeter our best is provided. Okay, that is the first one of the biggest option, and it's fully open source, right? That reason, and there are so many plugins available. Based on plugins, based on your knowledge also, that is also very important. Based on your knowledge you able to use, right, you 100% you able to succeed in your project. Okay, example JMeter also there are so many features available. Okay, and I will see the most people 10, 15 years experienced peoples also. You don't know. Means all the protocols and all the what are the features will provided, right? He did not use. Okay. The main reason is one you can start any one project. It's a keep on working same process only until the project ending. Okay, the entire project will take 2 3 years. Some projects is also very long duration also. It's a keep on running. Same protocols most of the time, web, cloud, mobile applications only most of the time. Remaining protocols, remaining features, he did not use. Maybe any situation he need to came that time only need to check. Remaining people he did not check, right? That reason, JMeter, what are the features will be provided? He did not use totally. Anybody is not able to knowledge. I am also. Okay, that reason you need to learn fully. That is based on your interest, right? You need to learn and you need to do it. Okay. After last one, what is distributed load testing? Okay, just general question this one. Okay, distributed load testing means single master system and multiple slave systems used to generate the large number of load is known as distributed load testing. Okay, as per practical question, right? Is the question example, this is the question, what is distributed load testing? Okay, explain in detailed about to the distributed load testing in practically, right? That answer will be different. Okay, how the machines you need to configure, what is the way you need to install the JMeter for all the two, means all the load generators master systems, how we need to configure, how we need to connect, how the test data you need to provide. That is the story, that totally different. The person will asking what is the question, that question only you need to give straight answer. What is distributed load testing? Okay, distributed load testing means single master system and multiple slave systems used to generate the large number of load is known as distributed load testing. Master system means that is your system, currently you are monitoring, that is the system only master system. Multiple slave systems, right? Slave system means it's a load generators. It's another name called load generators. These load generators maybe it's sitting to somewhere. Okay, all the missions hardware configuration used to distribute the load and generate the large number of load, but all the test results it's coming on the way of monitoring in master system only. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys, this video just 10 questions only I'm covering. Okay, remaining one by one my video I will provide all the details. Okay, mostly who are the people is trying for the job, right? This type of questions and answers, something will use that one interview point of view. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys, this video I will show you one more time. You can, anybody can note down, right? You can easily need to take this one, just 2 minutes. Slowly I need to scroll down. Yeah, that's all guys this video. I will connect to the my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.